So really, I don't know what the hell is happening, but I'm not trying to exhibit my chest or my stomach at all. But this hiccup that I got is really awful because it starts like every 15 minutes or after I have a cough, and it's kind of really hard. Uh, People even think that I'm faking it, like I'm trying just to shake my body, but it shit kind of really hurts my ears and hurts my bones, and around here it's really hurting. So I don't know. Sorry, I don't know what's happening, to be honest. So if you have a solution for this, please help. Take a look. There is one. I breathe. Okay, apparently it's gone. But when I like coughing, like after I cough, then it kind of comes back again. I don't know if it has some connection or it's related to that. It's really strange. Okay, eventually it's gone now. Fucked. Oh no, it's there. It's there. It's still there. I don't know. I thought it was a way like, oh shit, psychologically to get rid of it. But there's definitely nothing. So I don't know what I can do. My ears really hurts, and this area of my body. And this part too, I don't know why. I'm gonna try to press this. Shit. I hate when this part of here goes like really, really low, like it's shaking my heart. It's not really good. Doesn't feel good at all. So shit. Please help me, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try to hold the breath, so maybe it's gone, I don't know. The thing is that if I sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I don't think that's pretty cool. You can't really know what's work. Okay, there it is. It's not gone. It's still there. I think it was because I coughed and I can't stop coughing. I'm very sick. Shit. So I don't know what to do. Fuck. Can you see that? It's just like, what the fuck is wrong with my hiccups? Shit. So bad. It's so... Oh fuck, it's so bad. I don't know what's wrong. Like, seriously, I don't know what to do. Okay, enough recording. So, give me something to fix this shit, please.